guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with Eayon here again. I tried out their wig some time ago. Today I'm here to try out something different. You guys know I've been on my headband wig game. Today I'm excited about this wig because it's the first time I'm getting a texture like this in a headband wig, so I'm happy. But before we move on to that, let's see how much headbands we got today in this package. We got 1, 2, 3 headbands, and they're really cute designs. Really cute. I love these. I love this one. I love it. It's really nice. Got a wig cap, and I got the wig. That's all that came in this package today. So there's some information here so you can see. So as you can see, this is the human hair 3-part average size headband wig, 22 inches. It's a natural color, kinky straight. So it's the first time I'm getting kinky straight in a headband wig. This is gonna be interesting. This is pretty long. I'm dibbling and dabbling in the inches of the headband wigs because when I just started to try them out, it was more of the shorter length. So you know, you have a variety. You see what you like more, if you like this better than that, and you can actually adjust this. So the tighter you want it to be, you just kind of, instead of a hook, you know, they use this. And the inside cap construction is like 4 combs on the inside, 3 at the front here and 1 in the back. And you we also have adjustable straps in the back. We have the whole headband portion. As you can see, this is so full, so full. I'm going to put the density of this and everything down below in the description box. But this is so full. It's soft, but it's thick. You know, that natural girl hair vibe. Yeah, this looks so natural. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and slip this on right now. So the tighter you adjust it, of course, the more snugged it will be on your head, and that's exactly how I want it. It doesn't slip off easy at all when you do it like that. Of course, not to the point where you get a headache. I don't think even the tightest, it all depends still. But yeah, not too tight to the point where you get a headache. Look at that! This texture is everything. Who can't tell me that I hear this? No, look at it. That's so pretty. Of course, my forgot the one style with this. Alright, so let's try on the headbands first.
Oh no, that is what they all say when they see me pouring some oil. Oh, think it's empty again. Better fill it up before I go. Cause I'm loving it, feeling it, touch me and being it. See what I see in it, I'm typical. Messing around with it, mix it up, go with it, flow with it, let it all go. Oh Lord, think you know what I'm like, but you don't fall, you lose control. Bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly. Cause I know what you don't, it is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They never seen you out of your bed. Cut to the bone, it's broken up and how sad. Oh boy, got so hot I forgot what I should have done.
You guys know I have to come through and give you the styles because all this fluffiness just make me want to style it. Like, it's just too gorgeous. It's just too gorgeous. It's like just too gorgeous. Like, two nice juicy plaits. Like, looks just like my hair. It looks like my hair. It really does. It really does.
When I dance on your floor, 'cause I know what you don't. It is me you adore. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, but how sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, but
So you see I did that little cute half up, half down. Now I'm just gonna like do a bun.
I'm alive, baby. Get out the grave and I know you're bored. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, but how sad. How does it feel to breathe when you're dead? They've never seen you out of your head. Cut to the bone, it's broken up, but how does it feel to breathe?
So this is the third style that third style that I did with this. The texture, you could even go in and straighten the texture more if you wish, but I really wanted to keep that natural hair, you know, naturalista vibe for you, you know, like natural healthy hair vibe. Like, it's really cute. Let me know what you guys think. I'm going to put the link to this wig down below. Now with this, pulling it out the package, I didn't get any shedding. Like, it's really minimal. If you do get anything, it's like a one strand or so. I'm not getting any shedding. It feels really strong. I don't know if that makes sense. It feels very durable, and then because it's this texture, it's like it feels so healthy. It doesn't only look healthy, it feels healthy. It looks natural. It looks like it's your hair growing from your scalp. Like, the headbands are just up, you know, the cherry on top, because it just really dresses up the look, you know. So I really do love that. It's really cute. That's pretty much it for today's video. As I said, all the information will be in the description box for you guys to check out, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Anybody can achieve these looks without any hassle or disappointment, you know. These are it. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to go ahead and give it a thumb up, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, check out my vlog channel, that's PETITE-SUE TV, and stay tuned for my next video. So until then, I'm your girl Petite. Bye.